Today I will be explaining operators in Java, a fundamental concept in programming. I have made it simple by connecting each operator type to real-life examples and include code to make it relatable and easy to understand. Operators in Java are like verbs in a sentence. They perform actions on a values called operands and return results. For example, in this sentence, Johnny throws the ball. Throws is the operator. Similarly, in Java, A plus B plus is the operator that adds value of A and B. Arithmetic operators are like different workouts in a gym. Each one does a different task. Plus adds two numbers. Minus subtracts. Asterisk multiplies. Divides. And modulus gives the remainder. Int a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5. We declare two variables, a is 10 and b is 5. A plus b is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. A minus b is 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. And a asterisk b is 10 into 5 is equal to 50. A divided by b is 10 by 5 is equal to 2. Integer division. A modulus b is the remainder. When 10 is divided by 5, results is 0. Assignment operators. Assignment operators are like depositing money in different bank accounts. You are assigning values to variables. Basic assignment is equal to, but Java also support compound ones like plus or equal to, minus equal to, asterisk equal to, divide equal to, and modulus equal to, which do the math and update the variable in one line. Int a is equal to 10. A start with value 10. A plus equal to 5. This means a equal to a plus 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. A minus equal to 3. A is equal to a minus 3. Now 15 minus 3 equal to 12. A asterisk equal to 2. A equal to a asterisk 2. So 12 into 2 equal to 24. A divided by equal to 6. A equal to a divided by 6. 24 divided by 6 equal to 4. A modulus equal to 3. A equal to a modulus 3. 4 modulus 3 equal to 1. Remainder is 1. This shows how we can write shorter, cleaner code with compound assignments. Relational operators are like judges in a competition. They compare two values and returns true or false. These includes equal to, and not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Int a is equal to 10, b is equal to 5. A is 10, b is 5. System.out.println a equal to b plus a equal to b. False, because is equal to b, no, so output is false. In second statement, a is not equal to b, that's a true. 10 is greater than 5, true. 10 is not less than 5, false. Both are standard comparison. You can use them inside if statements. Logical operators are like team managers. They decide who gets picked based on multiple conditions used with Boolean values we have, and both must be true, or at least one must be true, not reverse the Boolean value. Boolean x is equal to true, y is equal to false. X is true, y is false. True and false is false. True or false is true. Not true becomes false. So in short, arithmetic operator perform maths, assignment operator perform update values, relational operators compares, logical operators helps make decisions. These are building blocks.